Okay, hi guys, I'm gonna be reviewing, there's music playing outside my window and my sister's playing her music, so if you can hear that, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna be reviewing it's an MCM little card holder, and I got that from Bloomingdale's. So this retails for about $120 plus tax, which I think is like $11.99. I got mine for $156 because I paid extra for 3-day delivery, and I also had a promo code. They were having a sale, so I had a promo code that took off $20 off of the purchase. So I got a good deal. So the MCM card holder comes in this plastic. And it is it's a matte box. And then the MCM is just kind of glossed on there. There you go. It's glossed on there. And when you open it, you will see that there is a little envelope in here, and the envelope just says MCM, not MZM. And then you just have the little like cards right here. You could put the style number, and I think the date of when you purchased your little MCM card holder. And then here, I don't know, there's just some information about the card holder, and then it just says MCM on there. Okay, and then it also comes with, I believe this is the card of authenticity. It has the serial number on there. I'm just covering that up just for, you know, can never be too safe. And then here is the special care card. I guess it just tells you how to take care of the MCM card holder, how to clean it or whatnot. So all those little cards come inside the little box. The dust bag is just a white dust bag, and this has the little MCM logo on there. You take it out, and then behind there, there's just, you know, the protective little bags. I'm not sure what they're called. So there you go. That is the MCM bag. You just open it, and dun, da, da, da. This is it. This is the MCM card holder. It's a pretty big size. You know, this is the standard MCM color, I think. And it comes with 5 slots. So 1 slot right here, another slot right here, the other side, 1, 2, and then the big slot. And inside the big slot, there's just a white little cardboard. I believe it is just to hold the placement of it. And like I said, this does retail for $120 plus tax. I got mine off of Bloomingdale's. And yes, this is actually a gift for someone. But you know, I decided I would do a review on it because why not? I'd also like to see what it looks like before I give it to the person, just to make sure everything is in order. But yeah, this is it. I'm not going to put any cards in there because I don't want to ruin it. Like I said, it's a gift. But it seems very spacious. I'm sure the person will love it as a gift, or even if you buy it for yourself. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed this review, and hopefully I'll be doing some more luxury item reviews soon. Thank you so much for watching.